Well, my friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the wonderful courses that we have at Britishey Training Center. And the course is Educational Management. So let's talk a bit about this course. Well, actually, the course is designed by Cambridge Assessment English, which is part of Cambridge University. The course is made up of 20 hours of self-study on the Cambridge LMS, and also 40 hours of input sessions through Britishey Training Center. So it is kind of this collaboration. Now, this course is made up of 10 modules, and you get a certificate from Cambridge University Press on every module, which means that you get 10 certificates, like this one. Not only that, once you finish the 20 hours of self-study, and then you add to that the 40 hours of input sessions, which means that you spend 60 hours studying educational management, you get a collective certificate from both Cambridge Assessment English and Britishey Training Center. Now let's talk about the 10 modules of the course Educational Management. And let's start with module number 1. Now, module 1 is called an Introduction to Educational Management. And actually, in this module, we focus on what is involved in educational management. It also considers different contexts and aspects of the role, resources and networks available for educational managers, the planning and prioritization of tasks. Now, what about module 2? And module 2 is all about curriculum management. And in this module, we focus on how curricula are designed and the role of management in seeing the curriculum enacted, reviewing and developing curriculum, and a working framework for curriculum development. Now, module 3 is about selecting coursebooks and material. Now, let's see what we focus on in this module. The process and criteria for coursebook evaluation and selection. It also considers various criteria in the process of selection and evaluation of coursebooks and material. And you will be introduced to a principled framework for evaluating and selecting coursebooks and material. You will also learn how to design your own criteria. Now, module 4 is about teacher management. And in this module, we focus on the tasks and responsibilities involved in managing teachers. We also focus on goal setting and the importance of setting SMART goals. This module also considers performance management, tools and strategies to deal with the stress, conflict and poor performance, and the staff well-being. Now let's go to module 5. And module 5 is about mentoring teachers. And this module focuses on mentoring as a professional development strategy. And in this module, we talk about the concept of mentoring, effective mentoring relationships, and mentoring projects. Now let's move to module 6 and talk about it. And module 6 is actually about running staff meetings and in-service training sessions. And actually in this module, we focus on best practice in running staff meetings and in-service training sessions. We also focus on the role of planning, effective agendas, sourcing topics, and materials and contributors. Now let's move to module 7 and talk about it. And module 7 is about managing teacher observations. And in this module, we focus on developmental observations versus evaluative observations, different types of observations and their purpose, the different approaches to teacher observations, issues and solutions in the management of teacher observations. Now let's move to module 8. And module 8 is about giving feedback to teachers. And in this module, we focus on given effective feedback to teachers, the different situations where feedback is necessary, the role of feedback in performance management, the key elements of effective feedback, the issues surrounding the giving and receiving of feedback. Now, Module 9 is about developing collaborative practice among teachers. And in this module, we focus on the potential of collaborative practice and its effect on teaching and learning. We talk in this module about the benefits of collaborative practice, the benefits of teacher collaboration, the barriers institutions face, and effective teacher collaboration strategies. Now we come to the final module, which is Module 10. And this module is all about implementing continuing professional development. And in this module, we focus on the importance of effective teacher development. So we talk about the principles underpinning teacher development, a research-based framework for development, and the support that can be provided for teachers. So my friends, it will be really, really great to see you on that course at Britishey Training Center. So don't miss such a great opportunity for you to become an educational manager in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on that course. Bye-bye.